In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for plagiarism in Grammarly, and we'll discuss whether it's any good. Whether you're a student, a writer, or just someone who frequently works with text, ensuring the originality of your content is vital. Grammarly is a powerful tool not only for grammar checking but also for detecting plagiarism. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to effectively use this feature. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Go ahead and type in Grammarly in your search bar. Once the search results come up, click on the Grammarly link. If you already have an account, find and click on the I have an account option. If not, you might need to create an account, but for today's purpose, we're assuming you already have one. Next, it's time to log in. Enter your email address associated with your Grammarly account into the designated field. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. This will take you to another page where you'll enter your password. Once you've logged in, you should be on the Grammarly homepage. Here, you'll likely see a dashboard displaying your recent documents and various options for creating new ones or uploading existing files. For our purposes today, you'll need a document ready to scan for plagiarism. So, let's switch over to your Google Docs. Open up a Google Doc that you want to check. On the right hand side, you should see the Grammarly icon. Click on it to activate Grammarly in your document. As you work within the document, Grammarly will begin checking for grammar issues, offering suggestions in real time. But, since we want to check for plagiarism, you'll want to scroll through the Grammarly pane on the right until you find the option to check for plagiarism and AI text. When you click on this, Grammarly will begin analysing your document to detect any instances of unoriginal text by comparing it with billions of web pages and academic papers across the internet. While Grammarly is running its check, you'll see a progress indicator. Be patient, as this might take a little time depending on the length of your document. Once the process is complete, Grammarly will provide a report highlighting any potential plagiarism, along with the original sources of the text. This information is crucial for ensuring your work maintains integrity and originality. In conclusion, Grammarly's plagiarism checker is a straightforward and efficient way